question 68, we're told that a healthy human being is running a race over a distance of 1500 metres as fast as possible. We're then asked to work out how the concentration of certain molecules will change relative to the arterial blood and the venous blood as it passes through rapidly contracting leg muscle tissue. So the three molecules we need to understand, their changing concentrations, are glucose, CO2 and lactic acid. Okay, so how will these change as the blood passes through rapidly contracting leg muscle tissue? Well, in order to work this out, we need to understand the two different forms of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic being glucose plus oxygen, converting to CO2 plus water, and anaerobic being glucose going straight to lactic acid and delivering some energy. Less energy than in the case of aerobic, but energy nonetheless. And since we're told that the individual will be going as fast as possible, there will be some anaerobic respiration as well as aerobic respiration. That's because anaerobic respiration is used for short bursts of rapid energy delivery. Okay, so how will these change over the course of the blood flow? We'll start with glucose. In both cases, both aerobic and anaerobic respiration, glucose is converted into products, and therefore, as respiration occurs, there will be a loss of glucose relative to the arterial blood. So, moving on to carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide is a product of aerobic respiration, and therefore it will be higher in concentration in the venous blood. Moving on to lactic acid, well, again, that's a product of anaerobic respiration, so that will be higher in the venous blood relative to the arterial blood. So we have our answer: CO2 and lactic acid are highest in venous blood, and glucose is lower in venous blood. Therefore, our answer is row B of our table.